Hey guys, Dan at TrueNorthMotos. This is a 2022 Sherco SE 250. Frank's Motorbikes lent us this bike to do an install video on our lighting harness that we have for this thing, dual sport kit, and I'm impressed with the bike and really like the components that are on this thing, that I think I'm actually going to buy a factory edition this week from Frank. So, you know, first look, I'm very unfamiliar with Shercos. I'm going to start right there. It's a beautiful bike. I love the colors. I love the plastics. Our dual sport kits work really well on it. Things that I want to highlight on is you get a FMF pipe from the factory. This isn't a factory edition, but you still get an FMF pipe on it. It's got a 220 watt stator from the factory. You have a Keen carburetor instead of a Mikuni that comes on the carbureted KTM bikes. Everybody knows how much people love Mikunis. Decent tires come on the bike, and it's set up really well. The KYB suspension is the best in the industry. Odometer, speedometer, all that stuff. You have a brake pressure switch on your front brake already. It's just well thought out and well put together. So I'm going to go through it more, and we'll do an install video for our dual sport kit, but it's just kind of inspired me to get one of these. So we're going to get one, do some testing, make some review videos on it. I'm going to go for the 250 model just because I like the way 250 has the top end and over rev and revs out for hill climbs and things like that. So yeah, I think a 2022 Sherco 250 SE factory edition is in my future this week. But yeah, look forward to doing some more videos on the bike and letting you guys know our thoughts on it.